The benefits of having a risk assessment done on your company is, number one, is to lower the chances of a claim or a problem that could happen that would ultimately raise your insurance rates or make you just unattractable to insure as a whole. You might be limited now that you can only have one company that's interested and they're charging a fortune for the insurance. But the report itself is very important. So the report that you use in a risk assessment is what the inspector creates for you and your company, and it goes through things that need to be adjusted or corrected. And these could be things from OSHA penalties, citations. This could be hazards that could come up on workers' comp. This could be for many, many different things. And one of the things that we do at CRS is we have an inspector who specializes in your type of business. So if it's a roofer, if it's a contractor that does concrete, if it's a contractor that does plumbing or drywall, we will source out an inspector just for that trade that understands what the claims loss look like at the time and has a lot of knowledge around that trade. And it can be a guy who actually may have owned or operated a roofing company for a while, who has lots of understanding around what it is they're looking at. So it's not we don't bring in a inspector who's looking at a dry clean company one day, and then next week they're going to be at a golf course, and then after that they'll be looking at a dentist office, and they're just trying to research it and figure it out. We'll bring in somebody who actually is, I would say, a leader and really specializes in that. So we can get you quicker to first class rates in your insurance and save you money as fast as we can get you there. So that's the benefit of using outsourcing and bringing in a risk assessment inspector for that. But the purpose of the question is what can it do for you? So once you have your report in place, the report is a living document. And what is a living document? It is used, it'll be changing, and it'll always be changing throughout the life of the business you're doing. So as corrections are made, the report will be updated. It'll be dated, we'll add photos to it, and it'll be something that we keep in, we use, on a daily, monthly, yearly basis to always upgrade and show that you're working on keeping your risk low. You're trying to avoid claims. And by having that document in place and using it that way, it can help many different parts of the business, but the focus here is how we can keep the costs down on insurance, because it could be used as a legal document if there's a lawsuit that happens. It could be used in understanding financials and the financial documents for the company. So there's many uses for the risk assessment report, but it's a living document, and we would use it to upgrade, add, correct things in real time. And then I would use it basically to submit for your insurance quotes, to be able to demonstrate that you're a low-risk company to insure, to try to get credits and to get more companies interested in insuring your company. And that's basically an overview of what the risk assessment can do and be really valuable for your company to have one. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out any of my other videos. If you have any questions regarding this subject matter, please contact me or email me. Thanks.